Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so you guys all know I'm currently in the midst of packing up and moving into my new home. So I told you guys I was going to be posting up old videos from way back when, and I'm going to call them my throwback series of videos. So here is the first one. So this video is originally video number 313, posted back in March of 2021. So that is like 4+ years ago, if I did my math right. But yeah, so it's funny because as I was editing this video, it's just astonishing to me the things I was saying, the things I was doing, how I was blowing out, how I was laying the paints down on the canvas. It's just crazy to me how much I've changed over 4 years. And obviously, I'm using the old hair dryer. I did not have the Drew Barrymore hair dryer then. My camera skills back then also weren't very good, as you can tell from the camera going light, then dark, then light, then dark. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And throughout the video, you'll get some music, and then you'll get some of me talking, doing a voiceover. And then in parts of the video, you're also going to hear the original commentary from 4 years ago. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy it and have a little chuckle at how I did things 4 years ago and see how much I've changed over the years. But yeah, enjoy it, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Colors I am using tonight are Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Then we have Iridescent Violet Blue by Pebeo Studio Acrylics. Then we have Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. Then I have a new color I'm using, Windsor Violet by Winsor Newton. Then of course, 24 Karat Gold by Deco Art. And then a new color, which is so gorgeous. Again, one of the paints that Tammy Anderson gave me at Christmas time. This is called Luminous Rose by Holbein. So I'm going to go like this and then add, where shall I add it? Down here or up here? Or right here in the middle? How about like that? And you know what? I don't even know if you can see that. I can't even see that in the camera. So I apologize if you, I don't know if you can even see that. Definitely, I know you can see that. All right. Some of these colors are pretty dark, so it'll be interesting to see how this is gonna blow out and how it's gonna dry. So we've had some beautiful weather this last week. It's been like, 16, 18. Today was like 19. And then tomorrow it's going to get cold again. And they're talking about possible flurries. And next week it's going to be really cold again, like down to 0 again. So Mother Nature, you're not very nice for making us think spring is here and it's going to be beautiful out. And then you're just going to change everything on us again. So I've already put the kids' winter boots and stuff away. Wow, this beautiful, beautiful rose. Look at that. Holbein Luminous Rose. What a gorgeous color. Okay. I'm going to pop these bubbles. What is up with my torch today? All right. All right, and let's blow this out. goodness, Rose. Oh my goodness. It is so, I can't wait to bring you guys in for a close-up. I'm not touching anything. I'm just going to give it a quick look over to make sure there's nothing I want to do here. There really is nothing I want to do here. I am so amazed. Now, I know this is going to fall off for sure. For sure it will, which I'm totally okay with because it's falling off here. It's falling off there. It might as well fall off here too. Wow. Okay. I am going to fix my edges with my leftover paint in the cup, and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, back to the voiceover. There you have it, my friends. There I'm telling you, scrape the drips. I've already scraped the drips. But there you have it, my friends. I mean, not bad for a painting I did 4 years ago. I mean, that luminous rose by Holbein is stunning. And of course, you've got the 24 karat gold in there. Again, if you want to know the colors that I used, check out video 313 way back when. But I really loved this one. It was one of my favorites, which is why I decided to throw it up here for you guys in my throwback series. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I would love to know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I think I'm going to be showing you guys the results with the lights off in a moment, just like I always do. And yeah, that's it for me. So I'm going to say ciao ciao for now until next video, which will be another throwback. And there you have it, my friends. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Wait for it. Wait for it. There it is. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.